Hello everyone, thanks for joining me for another video tutorial. This is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I want to share a super fun card with you today. We are using the Picture This dies from the annual catalog. It's right here. It comes with only 2 dies, but they're large dies. We have one with circles that cuts out all kinds of circles there, and then one with some rectangles. So we're using our rectangle die today. It looks like this. So it cuts out 3 stitched rectangles, and they're stitched both on the inside and the outside. So I'm very excited about that. And then we're also going to be using the In the Wild Designer Series paper. Now this is not one that I see people using very often, but it is super pretty. So let me just show you what we have. This one I've already cut a little bit off of this sheet. It's got all these different colors of foliage and then some little hanging vines on this side. This one has some flowers and leaves and then kind of a tiger print on the back, or zebra print, or whatever you want to use it for. Oh, upside down. This one has cheetahs with a cheetah print background and then cheetah print on the back. And we have different colored tigers with a green cheetah print on the back. Then we have this cheetah and just kind of a nice little geometric pattern on the back there. And then one with the different tigers with kind of a bigger foliage piece on the back. So lots of great patterns. All right. So we're going to actually make 2 cards with 1 die today. So I'm going to start with a piece of this geometric pattern. It has the cheetahs on the background, but we're not going to use that side. And I'm going to take this and just center it left to right in the middle, and then top and bottom, and then run this through the die cutting and embossing machine. And then when it comes out, it looks like this. It's cut our windows. And then it also comes with these are the pieces that have been cut out. So we're going to save these, and we're going to do another card with those in just a minute. Okay, so for this card, I'm using a card base of Cajun Craze. This is just 8.5 by 5.5, and then folded in half. And then I have 2 pieces. These are both 4 1/4 or 4 by 5 1/4. We're going to do one on the inside. All right. And then we're going to do one on the front. And I'm just going to adhere this down. Just center this here. All right. And then I'm going to lay this over for just a minute. I'm just going to lay that on top because I want to stamp a sentiment right here in the middle. So I'm going to lay that down, but I'm not gluing it yet. I think I'm going to do, for someone who is wonderful in each and every way, I want to make sure this is exactly where I'm going to adhere it first. And then I'm going to just stamp right in the window, which not perfectly straight, but you know, oh, well, maybe it's straighter if I put my paper straighter. All right, now I've cut a couple pieces of the other patterns that I want to show through here. So I think if I just put a small amount, let's move this out of the way before something bad happens. Is this my bottom piece? Hold on. Yes, this is my bottom. I want that to glue there. I'm going to put just a little bit of adhesive just on the edges to hold the paper in place. Okay, make sure I get the right side. And then I'm going to use the leaf pattern on the top. So let's just kind of stick that in place. Just enough to hold it down, and then we're going to adhere the whole thing. Let's take a quick peek. That looks good. So I'm going to use this adhesive. And we'll put some right here. It's very sticky, and along that edge as well. All right, let's see if we can get this lined up where we had it before. Hopefully that looks pretty good. Perfect. Okay. So last thing we're going to do with this one is I've cut out one of the tigers from one of my big tiger sheets, and I am going to just pop it up right on here. We'll just do a big one there, and one right there. That should be enough. I like how his head kind of comes up and looks at our sentiment. Whoop. Adhesive. Isn't that sweet? I love that card. So simple. Now we're going to do one more. I'll leave that there. I've got another piece of Cajun Craze. I forgot to cut a piece of white for the inside, but I would put a white piece on the inside for sure. So I am going to put this white, this is just 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to lay these this way, hopefully getting them pretty straight. Hopefully. That's the goal anyway. Our goal is always to get our cards straight, right? Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set this here on my grid. It's 5 1/4, so half of that is 2 5/8. So I'm going to find that mark. I'll try to center this straight on there. Okay, I think that's probably close enough. All right, now I'm doing this in hopes that I can stamp straight when I go to stamp. I might just stamp on the inside. I don't know. We'll see. I'll put a piece over here. Okay, I've got some sentiments. I was using the Special Moments. This is one of our celebration sets. I used this on the first card. So I found one, and I was going to put it right here, but I want just a little teeny one. I'm just going to do the thanks. I think I'm going to do that. This one had 2 lines, and I think it's too big for where I want to put it. So let's try, oh, this says good luck. You know what? I could use a good luck card. I don't have any of those. Okay, let's grab our Cajun Craze ink again. And I think, aren't tigers supposed to be good luck? I feel, well, cranes maybe, cranes and tigers, I don't know. This is a good luck tiger. I'm just gonna pop it down there at the bottom. Sometimes I like little teeny sentiments. All right, and then I've cut out, I pre-cut out, because you don't want to watch me cut that out, it's boring. I pre-cut out one of the yellow tigers. This is crushed curry with some Cajun Craze on it. Make sure we get that right side up. All right, let's pop this up and see how that looks. Dimensionals. I could just do like a dozen of these adorable tiger and cheetah cards. Look at, oh my gosh, isn't that cute? I love it. That's all. You might want to add, let's see, do we have some bling that might look cute? Let's do, kind of like these champagne rhinestones. Only because they kind of have a tinge to them that would go, I think would go really well. I can't seem to get them out of the plastic here. They have kind of a nice tinge that would, a pinkish orangey tinge that, I keep saying that word tinge. that goes well with this paper. I'm going to do a small, a medium, and a large on here. I don't know, maybe I'll stick this over here. Maybe we'll do one more down in this. We'll put a large and another small down in this area. Ooh, sparkly. I love it. I'm not going to do that to here because we already have a lot of pattern going on, and I think it's good where it is. So I hope you enjoyed these projects today. Super cute. One run through the die cut, you get 2 cards. You do have to cut these out, but I enjoy cutting out. I just kind of binge watch something on Netflix and then do lots of cutting, and then I have them all ready to go for my cards. All right, I hope everybody enjoyed that. If you want measurements and instructions along with supplies, click on the link below for my blog post, and you can place an order online this month. If you spend $100, you can get a Special Moments stamp set free with our celebration sale this month, and I will also send you a pack of Genial Gems. Even if you just order 50, you can still get a free celebration item. All right, thanks everyone. I'll see you back here on Thursday. Bye-bye.